Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the Snapchat app version and the exact account email. This prevents mismatches later. Next, free at least 10% of device storage and export current snaps to local backup so nothing is lost. Once done, enable a stable Wi-Fi connection, prefer 5 GHz, and turn off battery saver. You do this because uploads and metadata sync need sustained throughput, and power settings can pause background uploads, causing incomplete cloud writes. You now re-authenticate the app to refresh tokens. Go to Settings, then Login Verification and sign in again so the cloud service accepts uploads. Next, trigger a manual backup of memories and watch until the upload progress hits 100%. Intermittent syncs are the usual culprit. While uploading, monitor network stability with a speed test or simple transfer check. If throughput drops, uploads stall and cause partial objects in storage. Make sure to keep the app foregrounded until the sync completes. You finish by validating that memories appear online and that thumbnails and playback work on another device. This confirms proper cloud writes. If items are missing, restore from your local backup first, and only then open a support ticket with detailed logs and timestamps. Finally, if problems persist, clear the app cache and reinstall, or retry the backup on a different network. This often fixes corrupt tokens or stalled multi-part uploads. Keep one key troubleshooting tip in mind. Always reproduce the failure with logs before escalating.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.